Good morning to you all. In this video, I am going to make you understand about the another vascular connective tissue or liquid connective tissue or fluid connective tissue, that is lymph. In my last video, I made you understand about blood. So what do we know about the lymph? The very first question is that how this lymph is formed. The formation of the lymph is from blood tissue. When the blood is filtered at the tissue level, then this lymph is formed. How? That I am going to make you understand. From the main, when the blood is pumped by the heart, it goes to aorta, and from aorta it is given to the arteries. These arteries are coming out. From these arteries, you can say that some arterioles comes and then capillaries. Capillaries are the thinnest, you can say the thinnest and the smallest blood capillaries which gets divided from arteries. So it gives pure blood to the cells. Exactly after giving, it receives impure blood which is given to the venules. This capillaries get changed into venules. These capillaries get changed into venules that I am going to show you with the different colors. So these venules are, see, these are the venules consisting in pure blood, and then it gets collected into the veins, and these veins opens into the major vein known as vena cava. It opens into the major vein known as vena cava, and then it goes to, here only it goes to the main circulatory system for another function. The same vein goes and open into the main circulatory system. At the same time, what happened here only, in between, in mid of the time, some of the blood get filtered here, and then blood plasma, you can say, some plasma get filtered, and then this fluid plasma accumulate. ये थोड़े फिल्टर हो जाते हैं और ये टिश्यू में एक जगह पे accumulate हो जाते हैं, and this accumulated filtered plasma fluid is called lymph. This accumulated plasma filtered fluid is called, or filtered plasma is called, lymph. This lymph is also known as interstitial fluid. इस lymph को हम interstitial fluid भी कहते हैं. Yes, this is also known as interstitial fluid. Suppose if this process is continuous, it is going on in the blood. So what happens? It decreases the volume of blood. Suppose if the blood volume is getting filtered, or 10 milliliter after every 1 liter of blood gets filtered, and 10 milliliter is this lymph, it means the volume will decrease. The blood volume will decrease. Why? Because this process is continuous. अगर इसी तरह से blood volume में से 10 milliliter लगातार filter होता गया और lymph बढ़ता गया, तो blood का volume तो घट जाएगा. So what happened actually? Then the same lymph gets again it gets mixed with the main circulatory system, and it maintains the blood volume. How? Then I am going to make you understand. This is what I told you here. This lymph is accumulated, and the same lymph, what happened? It starts moving towards the lymphatic capillaries. It moves to the lymphatic capillaries. These lymphatic capillaries are the lymph vessels through which lymph moves, जिससे कि lymph move करता है. Then you know what happened? Actually, this lymph is given to the lymphatic capillaries, and this lymphatic capillaries get comprises, and what it makes, it makes lymphatic, a bigger vessel of lymph, that is called lymphatic vessels. ये major vessel में मिल जाता है ये lymphatic capillaries, और इसे हम कहते हैं lymphatic vessels. What do we say? Lymphatic vessels. Before going through this, let us know about the composition of the lymph. पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि ये lymph के compositions क्या हैं. So let me tell you, the composition of the lymph is exactly what is there? Plasma. Plasma is found here. But in this plasma, protein is not found. What is not found? Protein is not found. At the same time, it does not have corpuscles. Corpuscles, what I made you understand in lymph, in blood, that corpuscles are of three types: RBC, WBC and platelets. It has no RBC, no platelets and no WBC. But there is a special kind of WBC is found. Do you remember granulocytes? WBC, that is lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is the granulocyte and agranulocytes WBC. This is found there. This lymphocytes are found there. Where it is found? It is found in lymph. The composition of lymph is plasma and a special kind of WBC called lymphocytes, which gets added to the lymph. How do you know how it gets added? Right now I made you understand this lymph gets accumulated after the filtration and then it goes to lymphatic capillaries. This lymphatic capillaries collectively get into lymphatic vessels. Right in between going to the main circulatory system, in between there is a group of cells, or you can say glandular structure is found. Group of cells or glandular or gland-like structure is found. You know what happened here? Here only, in this part only, this lymphocytes added. इसी part में, इसी glandular structure में lymphocytes को add कर दिया जाता है. And then this, what this is known as? This is known as lymphatic node. इस glandular structure को हम क्या कहते हैं? Lymphatic node, or you can say lymph nodes. तो lymph nodes में ये lymphocytes जो हैं वो add हो जाते हैं. And finally they go and they get collected into the mainstream of the circulatory system. Once again they are given to the mainstream of this lymphatic system. Now this lymphatic vessels, what do I tell you right now? Lymphatic vessels are of major two types. Lymphatic vessels are of two types. They are of two types. What are these two types of lymphatic vessels? The two types of lymphatic vessels are thoracic, that is thoracic lymphatic vessels, and right lymphatic vessels. Thoracic and right lymphatic vessels. What is the function of thoracic? Thoracic lymphatic vessels collect lymph from left part of the body to the heart. And right lymphatic vessels collect right part of the lymph and goes to the heart. So this is about the lymph and lymphatic system and lymph node. Now we need to know that what are their major functions, what actually they do. Their major function, the first function is to help. They help in the exchange of important material between blood and vessels. They help in the exchange of important material or materials between blood and vessels, blood and lymphatic vessels. What is the second major function? The second major function is there. It helps in transportation of fat. It helps in transportation of fat. This is the second functions they have. You know, some of the lymphatic vessels or lymph capillaries, they look milky. Why do you know? Because they collect fat. Mostly what type of intestinal, internal part of the intestine has villi. Okay, so this intestinal villi has milky lymph nodes or lymph capillaries due to the collection of fat, because they collect fat in them. Then now this is all the function, the major function of this lymphatic cells, or you can say lymph. if there is one more part which is in class 12, but I would like to tell you that it also removes toxic substances including cancerous cells. ये जो है ये टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस को भी रिमूव करते हैं, एलिमिनेट आउट करते हैं, और कैंसरस सेल्स जो इसमें पाए जाते हैं उन्हें भी ये रिमूव करते हैं. सो दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड दीज आर द मेजर फंक्शंस. सो व्हाट आई मेड यू अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट अनदर वैस्कुलर connective tissue is known as lymph, which starts from the tissue level and goes to the heart, collects fat in them. They also have lymphatic nodes, gland-like structure, where lymphocytes get mixed. They have lymph capillaries and they collect fat in them. Their composition I made you understand, having plasma and only a special kind of cell known as lymphocytes. So I hope you people have understood it well, both blood and lymph. So please go through the comment box and write the comments. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for the videos or more videos related to the chapter and the subject, that is biology. Thank you all of you.